So what I did earlier on this one's called the piano meter. I'd got, yeah, what you can do is you make a profile for your piano, and so I called it Petrof, so I'm going to try and use that again. And you can see on my little app here, I'm just going to step behind the camera. So on the app, you can see a sort of graph and loads of little blue points. So basically what I did, you turn the app on and you play every note on the piano and it detects which one it was, and so that's what all the little blue points are on the piano. So theoretically it's now got an idea of every note on the piano. It managed to get every note, it picked it for what it should be. And so now, theoretically, I should be able to play one of the notes. Well, first I have to dampen the other notes off, because I just want one note. Got my dampers going. So let's have a look. And our first note, yeah, we can do this one. So that's our C3. So we get C3 to C5. So where's our C? We can find that. So this low C only has 2 strings on it. So if I dampen one side, that's technically the right string I'm getting here. Hopefully you can see this okay on the camera. So I've put the dampering on the left, so the right string is singing. And now I'm going to get my torque wrench, and I'm making sure I'm getting exactly the right string. And I'm going to set it up high, and what you always have to do is go lower. You have to loosen your string off a bit before you tighten it. So you pretty much do that on every instrument. So I'm going to try and detect a difference. So it's definitely gone down there a little bit, you can hear a difference. And now I'm going to try and bring it up to sitting now, still a bit low. It's still saying it's about 1 cent over. See if I can get it a bit more accurate. It's the first time I've used this app, so I really don't know how good it is. Now it's registering just under. That seems to be pretty good. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to dampen off the other one. Maybe I've got my damper in the wrong place, but perhaps I should have my damper a bit further down. So that's technically the other note. So I've got to go to this one. And it's showing a bit down, so I'm going to loosen it off again. Let it go down a wee bit. That's pretty good. It's sort of hovering about 0 on average. So let's take the other one off. So that's saying that that's pretty good. It's hovering. It doesn't give you an accurate, slow, sort of gradual reading. It gives you maybe 10 times per second whether it's good. But it's hovering about 0 plus, 0 plus, 0 plus. So I think we'll give that okay. So that's the first note tuned. I'm I'm quite pleased. I don't know whether I should have a cup of tea or something, but that's great. So that is one note tuned, and if we control it with another octave, yeah, it sounds quite like hear some nasty beats in there. So that's good. Don't hear any beats there, and it's saying that's a C. So great. We can go on to the next note. I'm going to stop the video for there. Have a little check, see if the camera angle was good.